All right, to my people, now welcome back onto this channel. Well, my brother, my sister, this one another strong one where they reach us onto the next level. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly, waiting the people still they talk about it, and that's so it be. My brother, my sister, this one another strong one. I go say a very big congratulations to all the Yoruba people as far as the Southwest is concerned. I say a great congratulations to all of us. Yeah, so this one another strong one where they happen. Many people don't they say, Chief Sunday Gbogbo, your head he did there. Hey, now so it can be onto this one where we say the people. In fact, I talked about these people yesterday for my news. Where we say this set of people come outside, they say Egba wow, this kind of thing where they happen for we area, we no know now. Fulani cow don't go eat majele for one place. They can't come our side, they can't they buy. And you know what that one mean? I talk about that news yesterday where all these people can't run, can't go, they call the police. So I beg go make una come to our rescue. Now as we they talk, the people don't come outside, they don't come, they jubilate, say make una help us thank you the governor of Oyo State, Governor Seyi Makinde. My people, and they come back for the next page, make una hear am well. Yes, so now so it can be onto this one where we say the governor don't come outside, they come they tell the people say make them no worry, Emma for ya, I go do the needful. Yes, so and now before we know waiting the happen, the governor don't send all in police people make them go that area because they know waiting the full and if it turn this thing to. Yes, so they know say full and if it come outside now come they talk say shebi una don't give our cow majele. As una don't give our cow majele, we go the pound one by one. And then right now, as we dey talk, na him before we know what happen. The governor don't send in men, in boys, all in police. We hear civil defense, all of them. They don't run go the place where we say this thing happen. So they can't they secure the place from morning till night. Even as we dey talk like this, so the police then say then they sleep there. They still there because they don't want make it make it happen. And now, according to waiting we stay here now, be say when the reporters come reach there, come they ask these people plenty questions. Say how this thing they happen. How this thing they share now in the con they explain say now like this we see am say this Fulani people we they know say then they always they carry their cow they pass it for this we area but this faithful day we can't say you get one stream where they down our area there where we say the people even children they go there fish even they the place children go there go fetch water, people they go there go they fetch water. Now the same river now in this Fulani people can't carry their cow enter where their cow can't go drink water for there, and if as they can't say the cow can't they climb, as they climb now in they can't they fall. In fact, with the news where reach us, they say now about 12 cow now the first fall down. I know we hey now in this Fulani can't they say make a cow just drink water now in cow can't they fall. That means you know what that mean. They can't they suspect the people where get the area where they the area say so now don't go put to majele inside this water so that our cow go dey kpai no wahala. And then I know say this kind thing if it dey happen Fulani they no one hear story. Now the people where they the area now in then go first. And now the people where they the area don't come say hey, if we continue in this manner, if we no go quickly report now we go see now where they can surprise the people be say this is Fulani. Instead they make the Fulani come they attack them, the Fulani come meet them, come they tell them say like this so now where this cow don't buy I beg una go fit help us call people where be say they go come buy them. Now so the Fulani come they tell the people where they stay the area say na go fit help us call the people, all those people with the butcher animal, may they come buy this thing, may we sell them for them. Now these people can't get sense. At the talk of the people where they stay the area, can't say una can't tell us say make we come help una sell una cow. Which kind thing be that one? This one where una they talk say may we come, we no want wahala. Now these people can't quickly get sense. Okay, we go report to na later. We go know wetin we go do. Na the people don see say these people, these Fulani people, dey find way to see say whether na dem kpai the cow. This one wey dem come say make dem come go dey find buyer, say make dem sell am for dem. Na these people come get sense, quickly run go meet the police. People tell police o, egba wa. Na wetin we dey hear na him be this. Na so we just dey our own wey be say these people carry their cow enter the river wey dey near our estate here. As dem drink water finish, dey try to clap because say 12 fake kpai. So now the people, the Fulani people come dey say now they wan sell am, make we go find buyer. Now we don see say na wahala, na gbege be this. So if we go dey answer this Fulani people, because we know say these Fulani people, they can never and be trusted. Now he make the people come outside say no, we no go fit stay. To the extent, according to the news where they reach us, to the extent they come see say they come dey hear say all the people where they stay the estate, many of them they don't know wetin Fulani fit do. They come start to dey pack their load, they run comot for their house. Say lie, we no go fit stay this place. Kojo, we no go fit stay here because ogun wey go come back after this one, or dem fit kpai everybody wey dey this estate. Na him o, na the people come dey fear. And meanwhile, another news wey come still enter, wey we come still hear unto this matter be say some of the people wey dey the estate, wey be say dem sabi some kind treatment, na him dey come go bring out ogun wey be say e go fit comot kill the poison wey this cow wey dem chop. With everything, my brother, my sister, they say this cow still kpai. In fact, say as dem even dey give them all those ogun abenu gongo wey go fit treat the cow, make the cow for dey okay for where. Na here they come say another cow come still dey some. In fact, some other cow come still dey kpai. They join the 12 wey first kpai. Hey, na the people come say omo, this one don pass, be careful. Later they come say these Fulani people come go back to the river wey be say their cow drink water. Make dem go see wetin dem put inside the river. According to the news wey dey reach us, na they come say as the Fulani people enter the river, come say make we go confirm wetin this Yoruba people wey dey stay this corner put inside this water wey come dey make our cow dey kpai. As they reach there, na they come see say small children dey even dey baff for there. Some of them dey even dey drink it. Now when the Fulani come look inside where they come say, oh, fish even dey there wey be say dey baff, meaning no be for this water the poison go dey. No be for this water the majele wey kpai our cow go dey. That means this our cow fit don chop this thing from farm. Now wetin they come say some of the Fulani dey talk, but even these people wey come dey the area, they no still believe with these people. They go say na lie. If you get one thing wey these people do, na him the people come dey say okay, if that is the case, so we no get any buyer. Now he make the people quickly run go meet the police. Before you know wetin, they come say before dem go reach the police wey even dey near them, say that they call am Akpata police station. You get another one, Eleyele police station. They don run come that side. This one happen for Oyo State, for Ibadan there. The police don run come outside, come dey say okay, we hear this story and we no want to make any casualty happen. Na it make these people come rush come outside, say no, we must protect this land. According to the news, they say na the governor of that state, Governor Seyi Makinde, na he come send these people say abeg, we no wan hear story. Make una go protect these people because wetin dis Fulani people fit go do, we no know, but we no wan make wahala dey. Na im make all these police people come dey there from morning till the afternoon, till the night, till the next day. Even as we dey talk right now, they say they still dey there. My brother, my sister, now everybody come outside, come say so now we come believe say police na truly our friend, because this thing wey dem do e surprise us o. Because now they can't send all their police to come surround the estate where then they stay. Say no, they don't want make anything happen to them. And according to wetin we come dey hear, they come say the Fulani come say say na this small thing come make una go dey call the police. Say we don't understand. Say no be here it happen. Now in the Yoruba people say now used to be we know wetin we dey do, we no fit no trust on now. My brother, my sister, now people come, they say I been now waiting the Chief Sunday Gbogbo first tell the governors, say governor, I beg you, make you help me protect my people. the one wey talk about the people of Ilaro, wey be say now wey we dey talk, all the Fulani wey dey that Ilaro village, they don run because Chief Sunday Gbogbo talk am, tell the governor say he no wan make anything make it happen to him people. Now my brother, my sister, as we dey talk now, everybody come dey clap. They don dey clap for the governor of Oyo State, say now he don do the needful finally. And everybody come say, well, the person wey we go thank well pass na him be Chief Sunday Igboho, because we believe say na the word wey Chief Sunday Igboho put for ground na him dey happen. And na so we see am, my people, unto this one many things we go dey bring for now unto this one. Meanwhile, if na this na your own first time wey be say you dey join us for this channel, I beg you, make you try, make you dey support us, dey subscribe, make una dey follow, make una dey share. I pray God go continue to bless una. Yes, so na so e be. Na bye for now.